I'm Nikki at Sacksteder's Interiors, and I am here to show you a little design tip on decorating a tree for the holidays. This one's a great 6-foot tree for somebody that may not have a lot of space or want a second, third, or fourth tree in their house. This one's kind of fun. We have this cute little snowman topper here, head, and then we've added some different leaves and pine throughout. We have the gorgeous buffalo plaid, which is in right now, and I love the black velveteen as well. And we have the different snowballs and then the coordinating ornaments, and then the little signs are just fun. Also, we have the beautiful tree skirt here, which is the basket with the little buffalo plaid ribbon to coordinate. And this is just a great accent for your decor.
Well, I think it looks great, Nikki.
Thank you.
What about Santa? Do we have a Santa?
Oh, Santa right
Oh,
here. He is
he's
super
so cute. Well, I like him. Well, come out to Sacksteder's Interiors for all your decorating needs.